Hello! Welcome to another installment of Tips and Tricks with Mrs. Romito. Today we're going to be talking about rubrics. Here are some questions that you need to ask yourself when you approach an assignment that includes a rubric. Before you complete the assignment, ask yourself the following questions. Did I read the rubric? And be honest with yourself. Do I understand the rubric? If you do not understand the rubric, now is the perfect time to check and see if your teacher has any resources to help you understand the rubric, maybe a video, maybe a worksheet, maybe a checklist, or contact your teacher directly via email or pop into their office hours. If you understand the rubric, then make a checklist of the requirements and make sure that you've made that checklist. It really helps if you have a rubric that is very wordy to create a checklist so you can check off and make sure that you've done everything you need to do. In our course, Human Anatomy and Physiology, I've created a lot of these checklists for you. You can find them on my website. I'll include the link below. After you've completed the assignment, you want to ask yourself the following questions. Did I use my checklist that I made to make sure that everything is there? And have I graded my assignment against the rubric? So you want to act like you are the instructor, and you are going to check your assignment against the rubric. Be ruthless. And then finally, do you feel confident that your teacher would provide the same feedback that you're giving yourself? If the question is yes, then ask yourself, am I comfortable with this score? If you are, go ahead and submit. I hope that you find this episode of Tips and Tricks with Mrs. Romito about rubrics very helpful as you work in your courses.